Looky here, sonny boy. Oh, boy. I remember when none of this was here. Couldn't have been that long ago. Oh, sure, I suppose time has a funny way of slipping away, especially when life provides a good distraction.
We used to be here before, Grandpa.
Well, great question, laddie. All of us used to be fields of tall grass for as far as the eye could see.
How did I even get here?
At the far edge of the fields were thick forests of green.
How in the devil? Where am I?
Filled with strong trunks of trees that have been here longer than most people alive.
Even you, Grandpa?
Eh? Little whippersnapper? Have some respect. Then, yes, them trees were here before me. You're not a tree.
Isn't that the story, though? Times they are a-changin'. And this story gets retold and passed down from generation to generation. This here used to be a field. Now it's a strip mall, or a housing development, or whatever. Such is the way of things. These paintings tell that story. Luckily, in real life, it still looks like this painting over here. But I am sure when my son is my age, it will be somewhere around here. What with people moving in, intrusion of man and whatnot. The balance slowly gets tipped and marches inexorably to the total domination of the land, which is this third painting here. Is this good? Is this bad? Man, I don't know. I'm just telling the story. People need places to live. Now this first painting, well, the video got erased. Check out this video for that sad, sad tale. Let's jump right into the second painting in the series. This one is called The Intrusion of Man. It starts happily enough with a blue sky and a rock formation. This one is actually a wee bit easier because I have to copy the first painting. The whole theme of this series is the tranquility of nature, which is the first painting, being interrupted by the intrusion of man, which is this here painting, which eventually leads to a third painting called Man's Domination, where you guessed it, all of nature is replaced. Stay tuned for that one, and make sure you subscribe so you can catch that video. Hit the bell notification so you'll always be kept up to date on all the painting. Oh yeah, cabin time! Weird. So, this isn't the way it is. There isn't a cabin on that side of the creek. But there is one on the other side, kind of like where I'm painting. That is where the cabin that is there in real life is located. So, do a little 180 spin real quick and you'll see where the actual cabin is, which is my family cabin, which is weird. I'm talking about the intrusion of man with a fictitious cabin over yonder on that side of the creek, when the cabin from my family is kind of actually the one that is intruding. Hypocrite! Harsh, but not fair. Turns out that the cabin owners aren't the problem. The problem is all the people who don't take ownership and stewardship of the land. They come and they pollute and they litter and they leave way more than footprints. And they take way more than photos. That's what I was thinking about when I made these paintings. Man, when I was a kid, I could swim in the creek. It was full of gushing water, beautiful water. I could swim and drink the water, and it was safe, and everything was cool. Until people started to get back to nature, and polluted the water so bad that when you will get giardia if you swallow it. The trash is everywhere. It sucks. People pee and poo in the dang river, throw trash in it, spill oil, plastic, you name it. No respect. And it's tearing up the ecology. It's sad to see. Totally avoidable. If people would just care and think just a little bit. And I got news. It ain't the cabin owners or local residents doing it for the most part, either. But hey, being civilized is too much to ask for, I guess. So the buildings go up, the clear, cool water is now shallow and polluted, trash is everywhere. Takes a lot to bring down creation. And even in the dilapidated condition it's in, it's still beautiful. Lush green forest, water is, well, it's still there. So the forest is thriving, and equilibrium can still be reached if we would just work with nature, right? Right.